Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, a Google Workplace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and also a big fan of using iPhones. All of my email accounts that I have on my iPhone are either Gmail or Google Workplace accounts. And I have them set up in the iPhone to access through the iPhone email client. And you see I have this NC Wiseman account here, and the question I got asked is, how do I delete emails? Well, it's really pretty easy, but you need to make sure you have your account set up so that on the iPhone you can delete them. Let me show you what I'm referring to. If I come out of here, go to Settings, click on Settings, go to Mail. In Mail, go to Accounts. I want to go to the account for this NC Wiseman right here, NC Wiseman. Now you have to click on Account one more time. Click over here where it says Account. And then you have to click on Advanced. In Advanced, you'll see Move Discarded Messages into Deleted or Archive. Now, deleted is the trash folder in the Gmail account. And remember, if it's in your inbox or your sent items, it's in the what's called the all mail folder. The all mail folder is really the archive folder. The only difference between archived and inbox mail is that when you archive it, you take it out of your inbox. So when I want to delete them, I delete them. So I hit the delete mailbox, and you can see up top here, mailbox behaviors. Deleted goes in the trash, and archive goes to all mail, which it was in already. Now, I have mine set for deleted. So now I can go delete messages from the iPhone. So I'm going to come out of here. I'm going to go back to my messages. I'm going to go back to NC Wiseman. There's a couple ways you can delete messages. If I swipe all the way on a message, all the way to the left, it deletes it. If I swipe to the middle and stop, I have trash, flag, and more. And under more, I can archive the message, mark it as unread, move the message, flag the message, move it to junk, etc., including archive, or hit the trash button. So I can move, again, just swipe all the way to the left, it moved it to the trash. I can move all of these to trash, just keep swiping to the left. If I click to back out, if I go down here to NC Wiseman and I go to trash, there are all the messages that I just deleted, including the one where I logged in on my computer. And so I can delete that permanently. Any deletion that you do in the trash is 100% poof, be gone. Whereas any deletion you do in sent items or inbox, they go to trash, and when they're sitting there longer than 30 days, then they'll go away. So again, one of the easiest way to delete messages is to simply view the message in the list and swipe to the far left and hit trash. Now, another way you can delete, just two more ways, is I can go to the message and view it, and I can hit the trash icon at the bottom and hit trash two messages. It'll delete the whole stream. Trash right here, keep hitting the trash button. That's the second way to delete on an iPhone, is while viewing the message, hit the trash button. And then the third way to delete messages on an iPhone is hit the edit button. And you can select a bunch of messages and then look at the bottom. I can mark them as unread. I can move them to another folder like the inbox, or I can hit trash and they all go away. Again, your settings for that email account have to be set for trash versus archive. And then you have three ways of deleting it. Swipe all the way to the left, view the message, hit the trash can, or hit the edit and select and hit trash can. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workplace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Also, a fan of my iPhone. I hope this is helpful.